If you forgot the password to the private space and now you cannot really unlock it on your Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can completely delete the private space, and then you can of course set it up again. Now, naturally, because we remove the private space, you will lose everything that you have inside of that private space. So if you have something valuable in here, you might want to keep trying to enter the correct password. And if you actually decide to get rid of the private space, if you want to actually delete it and then set it up again, and then you have to open the settings. Then here in settings, we want to go to system, and then in system settings, you can find reset options. Now in here in reset options, we have delete private space. So you want to go over here, enter the screen lock password to confirm, and then once again tap on a delete here to confirm that you want to delete the private space. There we go. Now if we go back to the app drawer, the private space is no longer here, and then you can set it up one more time, for example, by searching for private space here. You will need to enter your screen lock password, of course, and then you can set it up from the beginning with the new password that this time, hopefully, you will remember. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.